See, I never want to doubt myself, but situations make me do so. Or maybe doubts come just like that. We know this feeling. And whatever it is, it's worth a try to gain back confidence on yourself. Whenever that self-doubt knocks on your door, know that there is a way to understand things in a better way. And this audio lecture brings you some doables with number 1, look doubt in the face. In most cases, the doubt stays longer when you try to suppress it. In other ways, letting that doubt be can be such a relief. Maybe it doesn't have to go away instantly. Maybe things get better at its own time. So even when doubt comes, see what it says, see if that's true, and let clarity come at its own time. Example, I started my career as a content writer, suppose, but somebody just said my work is not up to the mark. And then came the thoughts running like train. Is that right? Should I quit and try something else? Because I let these thoughts stay without fighting. I thought clarity in the end, a clear answer. And that was, I love writing and nobody can take that away from me just like that. So see, I kept learning and learning, and I'm still learning because I faced my doubt and I saw the truth of it. And that brought me confidence. So clarity ends the confidence and the doubt that comes within about what you're doing. Next, let's understand the source of doubt. Is it really self-doubt or something coming from outside? Sometimes it's never a self-doubt, but a people-focused doubt. And if that's the case, again, see the truth of it. Is that really true or just somebody's opinion? And the answer comes when you see the depth of it at its own time. How you are connected to your passion, and that connection, that passion will reveal the truth for you. Now, let's finally move on to the inner doubt area. Now, a voice within may be doubtful of your actions. Like, why am I doing this? Is this the thing I truly wanted? Do I have something better to do? And this one right here can be helpful. Because sometimes we may be doing things that make us feel guilty or that make us feel like, why am I doing this? Right? So it may help you reconsider your decision, retrack your path in life, especially if thoughts come from a place of understanding. And as you let these questions stay and start seeing the truth of them, clarity comes at last. So sometimes doubts come to show you the way. Other times they go away when they don't feel true to you. So if you and me can face the doubt, we will become better at understanding what it is. And who knows, maybe something better waits on the other side of the road for us. So that was it, guys. It was a small video, but I just wanted to share my take on self-doubt, how I see things, and how I really wanted you guys to have a look at doubt. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed the audio lecture, and feel free to comment your views. More valuable content and their playlist will be waiting for you in the description. Let life shine bright. Thank you.